How to log in to your Costco ESS Employee Login. Welcome to the channel and let's jump right into this video. Open up a browser that you prefer. In the search bar, search for Costco ESS Login and give it a search. Costco ESS Employee Login and regular Costco Sign In is different. So you have to select the option of Costco Employee Website. Tap on Costco Employee Website, through which you will be redirected to the official webpage of Costco Employee. You can log in through Employee Self-Service at the bottom and select if you are current or former. You can also register through there. If not, select the option of Sign In or Register at the very top of your dashboard. In here, to sign in, all you have to do is enter your email address and your password. Once you enter your email address, make sure that you are entering the one that is provided by you by Costco. Then select Sign In. If you are new to it, tap on Create Account. Select Forgot Password if you have forgotten your credential. You have to enter an email address that is currently with you. Then select Send Verification Code. You will have to enter the verification code to verify it is really you. You will get the chance to change your password or just log in into your account. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.